Hello everyone, please join me. For work I will use 1.4mm crochet hook and a ball of 100% mercerized colored cotton yarn, 169 meters and 50 grams. So in this video tutorial you will see how to crochet amazing flower. I'm using one color of yarn. You can use variegated yarn. Let's get started crocheting. Let's crochet the flower. Make a chain of 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. I'm done the foundation chain. Insert the hook into the first chain stitch on the beginning of this round by making a slip stitch. My foundation ring is ready. Let's crochet the first round. Make a chain. I will not use it. Make single crochet. And single crochet with picot. Make single crochet, then picot 1, 2, 3 chains. Insert the hook into 2 loops of the single crochet. Make a slip stitch. My picot is ready. Then single crochet and single crochet with picot. Chain of 3 and slip stitch into 2 loops of the single crochet. I'm done 4 stitches. 5, 6. And make single crochet with picot, single crochet, chain of 3 and make slip stitch. In total it should be 16 of them. I will alternate single crochet and single crochet with picot. I'm about complete round 1. Once I have done the last picot, I skip the chain stitch, insert the hook into the single crochet, make a slip stitch. My round 1 is ready. And let's count my picots. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Everything is correct. Let's crochet round 2. For this, make a chain. Insert the hook into the single crochet. Make single crochet into the single crochet. And make a picot, chain of 3 for the picot. Insert the hook into 2 loops. Make a slip stitch. Then chain of 3, 1, 2, 3. There is the stitch with picot, and let's look at next one. Insert the hook into the just simple single crochet. Make single crochet. Chain of 3 for the picot and make a slip stitch. Continue. Chain of 3. Insert the hook into the single crochet and picot. They are my chain spaces. This is one and the second one. Keep working this way till the end of this round. In total it should be 8 of them. I'm done chain space 7 times. And let's crochet the last one. Make a chain, yarn over the hook. I skip the chain stitch. Insert the hook into the single crochet. Make half double crochet. My chain space is ready. Let's crochet round 3. make chain of 4, 1, 2, 3, 4 instead of treble crochet. Then make a chain, then chain of 2, and insert the hook into the third chain stitch away from the hook. Make single crochet, chain of 2, insert the hook into 2 loops, make single crochet, then chain of 2 and single crochet into the single crochet. Continue yarn over the hook. There is the stitch that I worked before. Insert the hook into the next one. This is the fourth chain stitch from the bottom. 1, 2, 3, 4. Make single crochet on the chain. I make this one with string. I pull up the loop to the level of the chain. In total it should be 7 of them, and work around the chains. I'm done the first one. Let's crochet 2. The height of the each stitch should be the same. 2 or the level. 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7. Well done. Then yarn over, pull through all loops except the last one, and pull through 2 loops. Here what I have. Then chain of 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Pull up the working loop. Insert the hook into the stitch. I'm looking for the stitch that I worked with before. I did the first stitch into this stitch. Insert the hook. Take the working loop, pull it through. 1, 2. Work into the chain space. Make single crochet. Chain of 2 and single crochet. This is the second one. In total it should be 9 of them. And chain space. 4, chain of 3 and single crochet. 5, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, chain of 2, insert the hook into 2 loops, pull up the working loop, and make single crochet. Let's stop and look. So my cute petal is almost ready. I just need to finish it. make a chain. Then I'm going to work with the next one in the same way as I showed you before. The base is gonna be treble crochet stitches. For the next one, insert the hook into the chain space, make treble crochet. Well done. Well done. Make a chain, then chain of 2 and single crochet. Chain of 2 and single crochet. Chain of 2 and single crochet. Well done. Yarn over the hook and work around the stitches. Make 7 stitches. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7. Then yarn over, pull through except the last one and pull through 2 loops. One, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. And now insert the hook into the top of my treble crochet stitches. Take the working yarn, pull it through. Then chain of 2 and make single crochet 1 and chain of 2, 2 and chain of 2, 3 and chain of 2, 4 and chain of 2, 5 and chain of 2, 6, chain of 2, 7, chain of 2, 8 and chain of 2, 9 and chain of 2, then single crochet and make a chain. So the second petal is ready. So as you remember, I did chains at the beginning of the work for the base in the first petal, and for the second petal I did treble crochet stitches. Continue and continue working till the end of this round. Let's complete this round with me. Once I have done the last chain, insert the hook into the chain stitch that I worked before, make a slip stitch to secure the yarn by making a chain. I already cut off my yarn. I just need to remove the yarn along the stitches on the back side of the project using the sewing needle or crochet hook. My flower is ready. This amazing and beautiful flower could be perfect for decoration, or it could be part of big projects such as Irish or Gipper laces. For this flower, you just need to know how to work with basic stitches. Please write comment below this video what you will get with me and where you will use my patterns. See you next time and good luck in crocheting.